In this video, I'm just doing a quick guide on what to expect when your Vive lightweight walker arrives at your front door. But what's nice about this is it's going to come just like this. It's going to be fully assembled for you. Absolutely no assembly process, which is super nice. So what you do to get this thing set up is very, very easy. So it is only 7 pounds, so you can easily lift it up. But when you're ready to open it, all you have to do is just go like this, and it'll lock into place, and you are good to start using it. So like I said, it's only 7 pounds. So when you're done using it, you can put it back together, get it in your car, and they make that really easy. Now I'm going to bring the camera a little bit closer and I'll show you how to put it back together, and also show you how to adjust the handlebars if you need to do that. Okay, so now you're done using it. You want to compact it so you can put it in your trunk or whatever. That's super easy. There's going to be a lever here. Just going to pull that up. Now at this point you can put it together. It's going to be super small, just like this. Only 7 pounds, like I said, so if you do want to put it into your trunk, anything like that, you can easily lift it up and do that. And now how, we'll get it back into walking condition here. Now how you want to adjust these handlebars, super easy. This knob right here, all you gotta do is just twist it. So once we twist it, eventually just pull out, and there's gonna be a bunch of different holes here. So you can just customize to whatever is most comfortable for you. So we'll get that out, put it through here. Let's say, hey, I want it this height, find it, put this in, screw it together. You don't need any Allen wrenches, screwdrivers, or anything like that. They make it as simple as possible. So overall, I think this Vive lightweight walker is perfect for anybody that's looking to get around and maybe they're not looking to sit down. I think this is going to be an awesome option. I love that it's only 7 pounds, but it can hold up to 300 pounds, so it should be able to work out for anybody. And the fact that you don't have to do any assembly at all, you pull it out of the box, you can just start using it. So I think this would be a perfect, gift, or if you want to give it to your loved ones, or maybe just you yourself, you need a little help getting around. It's going to make that a lot easier and as simple as possible to do that. So very happy with this. Give it 2 thumbs up.